Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change your Plex app icon. Are you on Plex and want to change the app icon to give it a fresh look on your device? If yes, then follow through the steps. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your smartphone or your tablets and log into your account. You can also open up the Plex application on your computer. After logging into the home page of Plex, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, after you tap on the profile button, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on Experience. Once you're inside the Experience tab, tap on App Icon. Now on the next page, select from the available Plex app icons, which is different colors or styles. Tap on any one of them, and once you do that, you'll be able to change your Plex app icon. There are some free app icons you can choose from, whereas there are other app icons which requires Plex Pass to be chosen. So that's where you easily find your Plex app icon on your Android or your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.